Sluggish, flattish market as far as the Indian equity markets are concerned, but experts seem to be positive. And here's the big CNBC-TV18 exclusive. He is one of the most influential bankers in the world, and he's betting big on the India growth story. The global CEO of JPMorgan Chase, Dimon, tells CNBC-TV18 that he is very optimistic about India's long-term growth prospects. Take a look.
Mr. Dimon, thank you very much for speaking to CNBC-TV18 and welcome to India.
Thank you.
You've had a series of meetings with a lot of Indian leaders. What's the sense you're getting? Is the India story still ticking? Is it one of your favored places of investment?
Yeah, no, well, we love India, and we've been here since 1945, and this conference is a testimony to the growth of India. We're going to have hundreds of companies here, hundreds of investors from around the world. This is our first equity conference, but this kind of conference will just do nothing but grow over time. And for the Indian people, you have the fastest growing economy in the world, some fabulous companies, great education, and I think a prime minister who's making all the right moves to make this a great company.
Well,
great country, I mean.
Well, you know, it's true that the Indian Prime Minister is working very hard, and so is the Indian unit of ministers. But, you know, the global flows have been extremely volatile. On the one hand, you have negative rates, which seems to indicate recessionary economy. And on the other hand, you have, you know, valuations in the US and in India at near all-time highs. Yeah. Should we expect some kind of an apocalypse or a meltdown around the corner?
I think I don't spend that much time worrying about market volatility and things like that. For a country and company, you got to build, serve people, do a great job, and you know the volatility will take care of itself. So I'm not very optimistic in the long run. You know, in the short run, there are always going to be things that should concern you, but don't overdo them. Invest for the future, like we've been investing here. So,
but a near-term apocalypse is not your base case.
No.
I mean, no meltdown.
Okay, no meltdown, nothing to worry about.